Let's now have a look at the Inspiration Hub and give you a bit of an overview of the different functionalities that we have in this space. Getting to the Inspiration Hub is as easy as clicking on Inspiration on the left side panel. Here you will see different options, such as a 1-minute quiz, top trending posts this month, the Ideation Library, competitor inspiration, and a chat with the Nova AI. This Inspiration Hub is what gets you away from starting at and with the blank paper where you don't know what to be posting about, and over to the matter of having a complete social media content strategy at your fingertips. So you can take 1-minute quizzes to very quickly get content ideas that you can post. You will be able to understand which posts are trending within a segment, and you can then create your own content based off of that. You have an ideation library, which is more or less like the hub of it all, where it's like a folder system that categorizes the different post ideas that you have either from this space or noted down yourself. Then you have a competitor inspiration where it is literally what it says. You can understand what your competition does, create your own content based off of those. Of course, not just copying, but taking the content a step further. And you're able to completely brainstorm your entire content strategy with the Nova AI, which will also help you to develop content ideas.